Liverpool, Dublin time.
Oh, that's
Yeah, no, so we have.
Just waiting for the last few bags to be loaded on board. We'll be ready for departure. Unfortunately, we have a restriction from air traffic control because of Amsterdam arrival slots. The earliest aim on time given to us is 25 minutes past the hour, just about half an hour from now. We'll be closing doors, pushing back to see if we can get improvement. Otherwise, we'll be starting our engines in just about 15 minutes or so from now to make good our departure time. But we'll be able to cover up this time en route and still get you into Amsterdam before our scheduled time for our arrival. This morning, my colleague in flight deck, persons Daniel Peel and the cabin, Lindsay, Sarah, Rachel and Tony looking at safety and comfort. Flight time once you get airborne, just about 15 minutes. We're flying at 33,000 feet and route weather is fine, it'll be a smooth flight. After weather is fine, light westerly breeze, a weak clouds around, temperature on ground 8 degrees Celsius. Please sit back, relax, enjoy your flight class. Thank you.
Welcome aboard this easyJet service over to Amsterdam with a flight time of approximately 50 minutes. I'd also like to extend a special welcome to easyJet Plus card holders today, and if you would like to benefit from becoming an easyJet Plus card holder, then please do not hesitate to ask for more details. My name is Lynn, I'm the cabin manager for this service. Also in the cabin with me today, at the front is Sarah, in the middle of the cabin is Deb, and at the rear of the cabin is Rachel. We're all here to make your journey both safe and comfortable, so if there is anything that you need, then please just ask. It's a brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace. There are 2 emergency exits at the rear, 4 in the middle and 2 at the front of the cabin. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. An emergency leave all cabin baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we do recommend that you do keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull the mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth, hold in place with the strap and pull on each side to adjust. Put your own mask on before helping others. If you land on water, remove a life jacket from under your seat. Put it over your head, pass the tapes around your waist and clip together and pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside the aircraft, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube, and there is a light and a whistle for attracting attention. We also carry flotation aids for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down and window blinds open, and your seatbelt fastened. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for listening, and we wish you all a very pleasant flight with easyJet.
Dames en heren, we vragen nu uw aandacht zodat we de veiligheidsprocedures van dit vliegtuig met u kunnen doornemen. In uw stoelvakje bevindt zich een veiligheidskaart waarop de nooduitgangen staan aangegeven, alsmede informatie over de zuurstofmaskers, reddingsvesten en de bracepositie die u moet aannemen indien u brace hoort. Er zijn 2 nooduitgangen in het achterrijden, 4 in het midden en 2 voor in de cabine. Verlichting op de vloer zal u leiden naar een uitgang. Wees u zich bewust van uw dichtstbijzijnde uitgang. Bij een noodgeval dient u alle bagage aan boord te laten. Uw stoelriem wordt vastgemaakt, bijgesteld en losgemaakt zoals staat aangegeven. Deze moet vastgemaakt zijn indien het lichtsignaal stoelriemen vast aan is. Wij raden u aan om deze te alle tijden vast te hebben. Indien er problemen zijn met de luchttoevoer, zullen de maskers boven u naar beneden komen. Neem het masker naar u toe om de zuurstoftoevoer te starten. Doe het masker over uw neus en mond. Maak het koord vast en trek aan de zijde om het te verstellen. Doe uw eigen masker op voordat u anderen helpt. Indien we landen op water, pak dan het reddingsvest van onder uw stoel. Trek het over uw hoofd, doe de koorden om uw middel, klik deze vast en trek aan het koord om het te verstellen. Blaas het vest niet op binnen in het vliegtuig. Als u buiten bent, blaast u het vest op door aan het piepje te trekken. Indien het reddingsvest weigert of meer lucht nodig heeft, blaast u in het ventiel. Er zit een lampje en een fluitje aan om de aandacht te trekken. We hebben ook reddingsvesten voor kinderen aan boord. Uw tafeltje moet nu worden ingeklapt. Armleuningen naar beneden, het raamluik omhoog en uw stoelriem vast. We wensen u een prettige vlucht met easyJet.
gentlemen, we shall now be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. If you do require additional lighting, then please use the reading light located in the panel above your head. Thank you.
whenever you are seated. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. Remember that smoking is not permitted at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. In just a few moments, we'll commence our in-flight service, offering you the chance to purchase from our selection of fresh food available today. All details can be found in your in-flight brochure. You can also purchase a selection of hot beverages together with drinks and snacks from the bar. We accept payment in pounds, euros, most major currencies and debit or credit cards. The correct change would be greatly appreciated. And if you need any further assistance, then just ask us as we join you in the cabin shortly.
Dames en heren, houdt u alstublieft uw stoelring vast indien het stoelringsignaal aan is. We raden u aan om uw stoelring vast te maken als u in uw stoel zit. Toiletten bevinden zich aan de voor- en achterzijde van de cabine. Wij herinneren u eraan dat roken te alle tijden niet is toegestaan. Dit geldt ook voor elektronische sigaretten. Voor enkele ogenblikken
do one more right turn. Then
Right, across the far side.
yeah, one more right turn. That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Amsterdam where the time is 20 minutes past 8. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving the seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we do ask that you do please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete and final stop and the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. Portable electronic devices for messaging calls or internet access may now be used, and please do make sure that you take all your personal belongings with you, checking the seat pockets underneath the seat and into the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out, and smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. On behalf of the captain, indeed the rest of the crew, would like to thank you for choosing to fly with easyJet today, and it's certainly been our pleasure being of service to you on today's flight. We will shortly be handing you over to our ground agent who will be available to assist you should you need any further help from us inside the terminal building. And for the latest news, promotions, flight and destination information, do check out our official Facebook page, Twitter or easyJet app. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, can you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete and final stop. Thank you.
To get a very good view of it as well. The hell's that? Left there with the black tail. Oh, it's
Jet Airways.
it's what?
Jet Airways.
Was that the Indian one?
Yeah.
Just on the doors for arrival, please.
Doing a bit of joinery while he's in. Joinery, is that just landed? Please don't do that.
Sorry. Cabin crew doors close to